In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating professional sublimation designs using a simple design platform. You'll learn how to set up custom dimensions, add text and graphics, and export your files with the right color settings for sublimation printing. Let's get started by clicking on Create a Design to begin your new project. Since sublimation projects require specific dimensions, we'll need to select Custom Size here. Go ahead and enter the width and height that match your sublimation paper. Then click Create New Design to open your canvas. To add text to your design, head over to the Edit toolbar. Click on Text and choose Add a Heading. You'll see the font selector at the top. Click that drop-down arrow to browse through all the available typefaces. Pick whichever font style works best for your design concept. Drag and resize your text until it's positioned exactly where you want it on the canvas. If you'd like to add visual interest, navigate to the Elements menu and search for stickers or graphics that complement your text. When you find one you like, just click on it to add it directly to your workspace. Just like with the text, you can drag your graphic around and resize it to fit your layout perfectly. To give your design some depth, let's head back to Elements and type Background in the search bar. Browse through the options and click on a background that enhances your overall design. If your graphic got hidden behind the background, click on it and then select the three-dot menu icon. Under Layer, choose Bring to Front to make sure your graphic sits on top of everything else. Your design is ready to go. Click the Share button at the top to access the download options. For sublimation, you'll want to select PDF Print as your file format. Here's the important part. Under Color Profile, make sure to choose CMYK, since that's what sublimation printers need for accurate color reproduction. All set! Just click Download and your sublimation-ready file will be saved to your computer. Great work! You now know how to create and export sublimation designs with the proper settings. Feel free to go through this guide again anytime you need a refresher.